Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about what you're doing this week for social studies. So for social studies, your activities this week, you have 3 of them, and they shouldn't take more than about 10 minutes each. Okay, let's get started. So for Monday, you're going to make a list of things that people need and want, and then write how people get the money to get these things. You're going to make a list of at least 2 things that people want, and then a list of at least 2 things that people need. Okay? So there should be a list of 4 things total, but 2 things people need, 2 things people want. So something that people need, an example is food, and people get food by going to work and getting money by working so that then they can get money for food. And another thing that people need is shelter or a place to live. So people get places to live by also going to work and making money to buy those things. It's okay if when you explain how people get the money to buy the things that they need or want, that you write the same sentence, because a lot of times it's the same way that people get money for different things that they want or need, and that's how they purchase things. My examples of things that people want are video games and makeup. People can get money for video games by selling things that they don't want, and then they don't want to people who will reuse those things. And people can get money for makeup, which is something that they want, it's not a need, by going to work and earning money to buy extra things that they want. You may use the same examples that I used, but please do not copy word for word what I said. You would need to find your own reasons for how people could get money for these things. Alright, and then for Tuesday, you're going to watch these 2 videos, the Cold War era cartoon and what is capitalism, and then you're going to define or say in your own words what an enterprise system is. So after you watch these 2 videos, you should be able to explain in your own words and words from your own mouth what a free enterprise system is. And all you need to do is type a 1-sentence definition of what a free enterprise system is. My example is a free enterprise system is where businesses compete for people to buy their goods or services, and they're not controlled a lot by the government. Again, you may say something similar to my example, but please do not copy my example word for word. Alright, and then for Wednesday, this is what you're going to do. Because of the free enterprise system, people are able to make choices with their money. I'm going to fix that, make choices with their money. There we go. Interview a family member about the choices that they make about money during the week. Then write a summary of what your family member shared below. So right here, I wrote about my oldest sister that I interviewed. During a week, she says that she goes to the store every few weeks to buy groceries she needs. She spends her money by getting gas for her car once a week, and then every Friday of every week she goes to Starbucks to buy herself a latte. Okay, your response of your interview of a family member should be at least 2 sentences. It can be more than 2 sentences, but it cannot be less than 2 sentences. It needs to be at least 2 sentences. Alright, and then the rest of the week, on Thursday and Friday are catch-up days for you. So if you have any work from any of our online weeks that you have not finished yet, this is your time to complete it. So take Thursday and Friday to review, make sure everything is good to go. You've turned in everything, you've done all your work, and that's your last chance to turn things into me. Alright, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.